Good afternoon, one and all present here. Today we are going to present a lesson plan on the topic pollution, and our class is 8 to 10, and the learning outcomes of this topic is familiarize themselves with the concept of pollution, write up, develop their vocabulary and critical thinking skills about pollution, and we are testing previous knowledge. What is pollution? How many types of pollution are there? What is air pollution? Basically, these are some questions which they already know. Something they already know, and some of the things we need to tell them. Introduction.
For introduction, I have a very interesting activity. I have a newspaper clipping here which has an article about pollution. So students will be asked to make 3 columns on a sheet K, W and L. So K and W will be what they already know, what they want to know, they have to draw. So they can draw. Yes, but you only have 4 minutes. Yes. So in K they have to draw what